I'm sure you've seen the videos of people buying Hormozi's AI for 6K. I know there's a lot of other stuff involved as well, like you can get up to 200 gift books, but that's the whole point, right? You pay 6K for lifetime access to acquisition.com's AI. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you whether or not if it's worth it. I'm going to show you also how you can recreate it on your own and how we have recreated on our own systems for absolutely free inside ChatGPT. So if you want access to Hormozi's AI, I'm going to show you some screenshots of what it looks like. So this is basically custom built AI just based on Hormozi's 3 of his top selling books, as well his playbooks and his notes that he's personally taken throughout, I believe, like 10 or 15 years, that ever since he's been in business. So I mean, that's quite a lot of data to train on. So if you want to just replicate it, you can go to Internet Archive, you can download, for example, Hormozi's book, and you can also find all of his source material for free on the internet. So if I just go through these, as you can see, it's the exact same book, and you can just download this and feed it into a custom AI GPT. I'm going to show you how you can do it, and I'm going to show you what we did for ours as well. So in this example, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we are currently using, and this is pretty much, I would say, better than Hormozi's because this is the same no bullshit model. So we're using GPT-5 for this. We have tried Perplexity, but I would say this is the most reliable one, and it's also super cheap. If you got ChatGPT subscription, this is gonna work for you regardless. So come to GPTs, click create, and this is the screen that you're gonna see. And this is how ours looks. You can obviously put a logo, you can create name, description, whatever. And in the description, you need to feed it as much information as possible. So we have fed it hundreds of thousands of information possible, basically everything regarding the topic. So you can not only feed it instructions, you can feed it knowledge as well. And what's really powerful, you can, I think, feed it up to 20 or 30 documents or even more. And the good thing is, like, inside one PDF, you can put hundreds of sales books, right? So for example, if I come to sales helper, if I come edit GPT, not only do we have the post sales follow-up flow, not only we have dozens of sales call recordings, we have, well, it's just named combined, but these are actually, each of them are 50 of the best high ticket sales plus sales in general books. So we fed it 100 books, which is technically more data than Hormozi's stuff. We have the rebuttal vault, we have everything, all the sales SOPs. So I think you get the point. You can create custom GPTs for generic purposes, and I just selected like GPT-5. So we have fed it all our entire operations, dozens of sales calls, and basically 100 of the best selling books in sales. And that's just one topic, right? You can do the same for ads. Like, as you can see, we have different ad creatives and scripts that work well. All right, so if I go back and I just click build a follower ad campaign, this is going to do it precisely that. It's going to look through the knowledge base, and it's going to look through the SOPs, and it's going to give me an analysis. Same thing for this one, sales helper. This is our generic one. Break down this sales goal, help me rewrite my pitch, give me 5 ways to handle objections from the rebuttal vault, right? And the good thing is this is a no bullshit model, so this is not going to just spew out like a ton of details that is just not relevant. For example, follower ad campaign is super detailed. So as you can see, there's 2 parts to this. So the campaign thesis and the campaign structure. So but you want to build swipe bot first, and then you can tell you exactly which aspects to focus on, right? Problem, agitation, solution, mechanism, desired outcomes. 3 ad sets, each specific type: broad, middle, narrow, 3 hooks per ad set. And it just gives you like all the information. You can just tell it like, okay, I want XYZ from this. And let's go back to sales. Okay, so for example, give me the 5 best way to handle objection: risk control, transparency, proof without exposure, social proof transfer, reframe, dare, fit to the pain, and anchor credibility. So I get it. You want proof. This is in theory, etc., etc. It gives you a key principle as well, and it just does so much more. Like, it knows 100 of the best-selling high-ticket / sales books, plus all of our SOPs. So that's why I'm saying you don't need to pay for the 6K one-time offer that Hormozi is doing. You can just actually build it your own, actually build something better. Because I know Hormozi is great. He's made hundreds of millions of dollars. He's absolutely G. But he has not fed it information from, for example, Alex Becker, who's just an absolute king at business. He has not fed it information from Ray Dalio, has not fed it information from Jeremy Miner in terms of sales. So, I mean, you could just think of this whatever you want. You could basically create any model that you want, and it's absolutely for free. Here's another one just for email spin tags, right? We just specifically trained this one for cold email and especially the platform people, right? And it asked me a few questions. Who is your target niche or sub niche, right? Let's just say fintech company, and then you could put raising capital, XYZ capital, right? And then it's going to generate me a nice little spin tag. Right now it's just giving me some random stuff because I haven't actually given it the spin tags, but perfect spin tags every time just based on how I configured it. The configuration, as I told it, like to add a nice little last like quote at the end, which is relevant, and just making it seem like it's from like some famous person, right? So that's quite cool. Next is obviously the copywriting one, and finally we have a cold email helper. So let's just test this one as well, just for the sake of example. Give me 3 angles to reposition this offer for outbound. Okay, but we haven't actually given it the offer itself. So the offer itself is VA placement for small businesses. I'm just gonna stop it here. And then it's gonna know, like, obviously give me 3 ways to reposition. I've just given it the actual offer. So it's gonna give me super no fluff, and that's the good thing. It doesn't like spew out fluff. As you can see, it's short, it's concise, and it's just very nice, right? It's just so much value in all of this. So I mean, it took days if not weeks to create just even a single one of these, but we have one generic one we use, the sales helper, but it just saves us so much time, and it just gives us such leverage because I could just come here and just come to the copywriting agent or the sales agent. It's gonna help me like rewrite and reposition the copy, right? Like for example, with this VA placement offer for small businesses, number 1, time angle, cost of delay, proof of competence, right? And you could just target and focus any one of these. And within the sales one, we also specially have pain point research as well as market research, so you can definitely do that as well. And finally, like cold email helper, let's say my reply rates are low, what to do then, right? Like we specifically build this out for cold email because we're sending 1+ million emails every single day for us and our clients, so we kind of need this, right? Like know the exact reason why things happen, because there are some nuanced things in there as well. So we just fed it all our knowledge throughout 3+ years of sending cold email, hundreds of thousands, millions of emails every single day, plus all the knowledge we have gained throughout writing winning campaigns in general and what the winning infrastructure is. So let's say, oh, I know my list is quite bad based on these suggestions, and then I could say my list is bad, how do I fix it? And it's just gonna give me exactly a super clean, precise way on how you can fix your lead list, right? So that's it. I mean, that's the whole video. My point is, you don't need to spend like thousands of dollars to get actually a custom built AI just for yourself. And this is, by the way, this is just for ChatGPT. You can do this in Perplexity, you can do this in whatever AI model that you want. The GPT is cheaper. If you want to use Claude, that's going to be expensive because every time it queries and searches through your actual database or your knowledge base, it's going to cost you money. But with GPT, I would say it's the best middle ground in terms of cost, which you just pay like $20 for the subscription, as well as accuracy and just like overall usability day to day. So that's the video. I hope you got some value out of this. And basically I just showed you how you can save 6K. So if you want to thank me for just giving you this awesome opportunity, just feel free to like and subscribe. And by the way, if you want the exact GPT scripts that we're using, just feel free to join the Discord, just message me on Instagram, happy to give it to you. And also it's available inside the Citadel, among many other things. So I'll see you in the next one.